Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations. Check it out. This company called SUZUME was kind enough to send me this to check out. It's a 3-piece torque wrench set. I'm actually finishing up work on a car. You'll see a video on the work that I did on it, but I got to retorque the lug nuts. Perfect time to show off this new tool. This is really cool because I've had a 1/2-inch torque wrench pretty much since I entered the industry back in the early 90s. But I've never had a 1/4-inch one. And so this kit right here, and I'm going to get the camera closer in, includes all three. And a certificate of calibration is included. Less than 1% error on every single one of these, so that's really nice. All right, let me get the camera closer in. We'll take a close look, and then I'll give it a shot. We'll try it out. All right, here's what you got. I do like the fact that it comes in a nice blow-molded case, you know, to hang on to there. And like I said, it just has a certificate of calibration here. And we've got a couple of tools here. So we have our main unit right here. This is our 1/2-inch torque wrench. And it's got that almost like a, well, I'm going to be using an impact socket on it, but the color is very similar. So impact grade, I don't know. 10 foot-pounds all the way up to 170 foot-pounds. And I will say this, you know, I wear glasses now because I can't see anything. And even with the glasses, honestly, I have a hard time seeing. But it's nice because these are very well marked. The contrast is nice compared to the chrome on gold ones that I have on my Craftsman tool that I've had all these years. So to operate this, usually, yep, you pull down on this and you rotate up to the desired. Let's see here. Yeah. If we want to put this is going to go to 80. So you rotate it around until it hits a little too far. And then it locks into place. So 80 foot-pounds, right? That's how that operates. And of course, something to know about these is if you want this calibration to stay accurate, when you're done, you roll this thing back down to 0. Anyway, it's a good size. It is reversible. And it has a nice positive lock release. So once you get something on there, if you line up, it won't come off unless you push. Just lining up, you got to line up your hole there, the detent, right? If you put it in any other way, it'll still go on, but it'll come off. Okay? Anyway, it also does come with a nice, I think that's about a 4-inch, 1/4-inch, and a 6-inch, looks like 3/8 inch, and maybe a 4-inch or 5-inch, 1/2-inch. So that's nice that it comes with little extras. The 3/8 unit here, and it is a fine tooth, which is kind of nice too as well. 3/8 is 5 to 45 foot-pounds. Again, with that positive collar. And then lastly, again, I've never owned a 1/4-inch one. Really, I actually kind of need one for an upcoming project. So we have Newton meters and inch pounds on this one. 20 to 220 Newton or inch pounds is the reading you can get on that. Very nice. Okay. All right, well, what good is it if it doesn't work, right? So let's take it over to the car and we'll tighten them down. I always refer to these at work as clicker wrenches because they make a nice positive click, or they should, when they reach the desired foot-pounds. Let's do it. Nice positive click. And you can hear it. Nice. Well, yeah, that'll do it. There ain't a whole lot to it. To remove the tension, you're just going to pull that collar down and rotate back down to 0. And then it comes with a nice blow-molded storage case, so it'll stay hopefully protected and ready. What do you need these for? Well, obviously, stuff like tightening up tires, making sure that you have the correct amount of foot-pounds is super important. But more important, engine work, transmission work. If you're going to pull an engine apart and rebuild it, there are some torque specs you just have to know in order to make that engine run well and stay running well. Same with transmission work. And I'm sure there are also a variety of nuts and bolts on cars, although after this many years in the business, I don't really pay too much attention to tight, good and tight. I do pay attention when I'm doing engine builds, though. Anyway, I'll leave a link to where you can get it. It seems pretty nice. The SUZUME 3-piece torque wrench set. Till next time, my friends, take care.